So percentage increase. Because when you say percentage increase, it's like you're trying to actually increase some, you add to it. When you say percentage decrease, you actually you take away from it. So for example, now, if you have if they say increase £50 by 20%, can you see? So this can come out in a calculator or a non-calculator. It can come out in a calculator or a non-calculator. So it depends on how you actually approach it. So when you say that the first approach is that you say 20% of £50. So that gives you, it's going to be 20 over 100 times 50. When you're multiplying fractions like this, multiply the top divided by the bottom. So that gives you 2 times 5 is 10, 0, 0, divided by 100. That gives you 10. So 20% of £50 is what? Is 10. When you say increase means you have to add to it. So it's going to be what? £10 plus the initial £50. That gives you what? £60. Can you see? That's how to increase by what? By percentage. So now, it can also be asked to, you can also do it in a different way, like with the calculator. When you say increase £50 by 20%, you convert this 20% to decimal. 20% is going to be what? 0.2, because 20% means what? 20 over 100. That gives you what? 0.2. So when you say increase, you will add 1 to it. 1 plus 0.2, that gives you what? 1.2. You now go on calculator, you press 550 times 1.2. That gives you 60. Can you see? So you can use the first method in blue, second method in actually in green. That's how to actually work out percentage increase. So it's straightforward. So if it's decreased, it's going to be the same thing. But I want to give you a question to do. 2 questions to do on percentage increase before we go to actually decrease. So if I say increase £75, sorry. Increase £75 by 30%. Increase £90 by 25%. Can you do it, please? Are you done with it? Hello? Okay. So,
yeah.
What do you get for the first one?
0.98.
No, when you say that increase by this, you change this one to make it easier for you. Change this one to decimal. What's that one? That's 0.3.
0.3, yeah.
You now add 1 to it. 1 plus 0.3. That gives you what? 1.3. Now multiply on the calculator. What is 75 times 1.3? That's 97.5. That's the answer. 97.5.
Okay.
So can you try the second one? Okay, let me use the second one for you. Change the decimal. That gives you what? 0.25, isn't it?
Yeah.
You do what? 1 plus 0.25. That gives you 1.25. Now multiply 90 times 1.25. What is that? 90 times 1.25. That gives you 112.5. That's the answer. So you can show what take note of that and show what it's the recording is available, so you can see that. So look at this one. Don't see give me because you didn't get it right. And you have to be fast to increase £70 by £35, and also increase £80 by £25 by 25%. Sorry, and you can work around. You can work on that now quickly. Maybe the first one that you won't be at fault. You won't just be doing this the wrong way. So this one is going to be 0.35. I'm going to say 1 plus 0.35. That gives you 1.35. Now do 70. Now do 70 times 1.35. So 70 times 1.35. That gives you 94.5. Is that where you go?
Yes.
Okay, good. So do the second one now.
Okay.
You go what? 90?
126.
4. 90 times 1.4. 126. Second one.
100. 0.7.
Times 80. What do you get for the second one?
118.
118.
108, yeah.
108,
No.
okay. Correct.
Yeah.
108. So now, we'll now go back to, we'll now go and do question, from a past question. We now, try and go and do this. So like a past question, and you see. So, read this question. The email has been asked to estimate the cost of renting an office. The graph shows the annual cost that varies with what with total area of the office. We now ask you that the annual cost of renting office space will increase by what? By 5.75% next year. Estimate the cost of renting 400 meters per office. So based on this one now, you will draw a line of best fit. You draw a line of best fit for 400 office. Okay. So that's going to be what, 60. That's going to be, this one's going to be like that's 62,000, 64, 68. It's going to be like a 68 what? 68,000. Okay, that's the cost for what? for 400. This thing. Can you see that? It increased by what? By 5.75%. So can you work out the increase now? Work out the increase. Increased by what? 5.75%. So work out the increase. I mean, myself from this one so that some of the is 68,000. You convert this one, that gives you the decimal. Just using always messed around. She's gonna be what? 0.0575 plus 1 plus 0.0575. That gives you 1.0575. So now 8,000 times 1.0575. So what's that in calculator? 68,000 times 1.0575. That gives you 71950. So it's on that, percentage. You have to look for the percentage increase again, The question, please. This question. Do it yourself. You don't need to. So you will change this one. What's the answer? Sorry. What is your answer? What is your answer?
441.78.
Okay, let me 441.78. When you know that this one is 3.98, that gives you what? 9.11. 1.11. Then it's go for 3.98 times 1.11. Press your calculator. 3.98 times 1.11. What's the answer again?
441.78.
Because you did not, what's it called? You did not put decimal when you are multiplying it. So it's made with 4.4178. The only mistake you made was because you did not what? You did not put decimal there. You put 398. You did not put 3.98 into your calculator.
Okay.
That's the mistake you actually was made on that one. That's why you got it wrong.
Yeah.
But that one's at least that's the good that you made very good attempts. So final one now. Yes, just . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . You see, 7% higher. So that one, this is the final one. So it's going to be so that the higher. When you say higher, is also what? It's also increase. So just go what 1.07. So it's go what 863,490 times 1.07. So 863,490 times 1.07. So that's going to give you 923,934.3. That's the answer. What you
got? I changed it to 1.7, not 107.
As I say, what is 7 divided by 100 is 0.07. All right, see, thank you.
Plus 1 is 1.7, isn't it?
Eh?
0.7 plus 1. I did like that. Give me 1.7.
Because 7 divided by 100 is 0.07, not 0.7.
Okay.
Thank you. Right, yeah.